Alright folks, welcome back. This video comes to you from a channel called It Is What It Is Entertainment. And I have a question for you guys. Do police officers earn the hate? My answer to that question is yes, because it's back to blue till it happens to you folks. Here's another question. Do police officers use propaganda because they're constantly earning the hate? The answer to that question is yes. This is why they have these blue line flags and these slogans like back to blue. They want people to believe that they're automatic heroes when they wear a badge and carry a gun. But there are so many umbrellas of protection that allows bad police officers to treat people like crap. And that umbrella is called qualified immunity, internal investigations, police unions. They protect bad police officers. So much so that good police officers have to shut up and turn the other cheek. Check out this video and watch a perfect example of what bad policing is like. Go subscribe to the channel. Here we go, folks.
After you just hung out in the gas station, you said my plate doesn't what? My plate doesn't what, sir?
What was that?
My plate doesn't what?
I ran the wrong plate, so...
Yeah, and you hung out in that parking lot how many times?
I can hang out
wherever. Hey, you guys
I
just
want.
beat me up on the 4th of July for free speech, dude, and now you're fucking with me here. What do you guys got against me, brother?
I beat you up on the 4th of July?
On the 4th of July, I had 9 officers heating a bunch of you guys, dude, come to my house, and I said no.
I didn't work the 4th of July,
you
okay?
guys fucked me up, and I was on your guys' side. I helped you guys put in jail a woman beater, dude.
Okay.
I thought we were on neutral ground, bro.
Hey.
You guys beat me up on the 4th of July, now you're sitting here circling this parking lot, dude, and you try to intimidate me and tell me my plates don't fucking match. I don't appreciate that, dude. We're all human out here, dude. We're all trying to see the next day, dude.
What's your problem with me, though?
You're fucking sitting here circling this parking lot 3 to 4 times,
So
dude.
when I ran your plate, it came back to...
She broke her neck looking at me, bro.
It came back to a blue motorcycle.
Bullshit. I'm legal. I got my license, insurance, and everything.
Listen to
I'm
me.
not on probation, dude. What are you gonna do to me? I have the right to free speech, dude. You guys already beat me up one time for it, dude. Now I have audio because you guys wouldn't release your body cam. I talked to Matthews, dude, which I know well. So, you mean? Don't threaten me and tell me to be quiet, dude.
What's your name, man?
I don't have to give you my name. You already have my plates. I'm just asking you why you're bullying me, dude.
I'm not bullying you.
You don't circle that parking lot 3 times up and she broke her neck looking at me.
I can circle as many times as I want. It's
Just like I have the right to
It's called
free speech.
proactive police work, okay?
Yeah. Maybe you guys should go over here and cruise the east side of that hotel right there by the park and catch some dope
That's where I was just at.
You know what I'm saying?
Dope
Or
heads
maybe
come
we're
over
over here
here
by
to
the
this
train
too.
tracks and catch that little dope dealer that lives in that alleyway right there off there. You know what I'm saying? Why don't you go
Dope
do
comes over
something
here,
productive
man.
like that?
Alright folks, this is where I gotta pause the video and say something really quick. I personally would not be sending cops over to mess with somebody else or to go investigate someone else. Hell no, that's not what I do. First and foremost, keep in mind, guys, that cops will use your word when messing with somebody else as well. You don't want to be that guy. And that's why people always tell you not to talk to police. For one, that kind of shit's dangerous for the streets, right? Number 2, cops will throw your name under the bus without hesitation. They don't care about you. They are not your friends. And I gotta tell you guys something else. The streets don't play, folks. So it's best that you guys walk a straight line and follow some street rules as well, because the streets don't play. Having said that, I will let you guys know that me personally, since I started recording police, I never knew that I would find myself personally accountable even more. I've never found myself walking a straighter line than I do today. And if you guys are wondering why I'm showing you this video while I'm narrating, this is Mobb Deep from last weekend at the Burning Trees Festival. I grew up listening to some of their music. This song here is called Thug Music, and they also have a couple other good songs. One of them that I like is called The Streets Raised Me, if that makes any sense.
Okay, are dope heads not hanging out in that gas station?
I don't know, brother. You ate me though, dude, because I'll piss right here in front of you, dude, and we'll see how fucking clean I am. Like I said, I'm a clean citizen, dude.
Okay.
Upstanding,
Hey.
No probation, valid license, all that shit. I don't
proud of you,
appreciate the
okay?
intimidating tactics, dude.
It's not intimidating tactics.
Yeah?
The only reason I even looked at you is because you mouthed that I was a pussy ass bitch.
Yeah, because
That's
you
why
guys
I
beat
looked
my
at
ass. You guys fucking beat my ass. You guys even...
I did
I
not.
got burned
No,
with
I
a
did
fuck.
not.
Okay, well, you know what, dude? You guys are all one, bro. I thought you guys were good people as well, brother. Or sister, whatever you want me to call you, dude. And I thought we were on the same page until the 4th of July when 9 officers came to my house and they beat me the fuck up for saying, fuck you, dude. And the cop told my wife that he wouldn't have went over there if I wouldn't have said anything to him, dude. That was an emotional-based arrest. He come over there and fuck me up on my house camera, dude.
I don't know anything
They even
about
picked
that.
me up. Hey, you even see an officer pick up a fucking cigarette, burn me on the fucking side, and my leg goes flailing, bro.
I don't know anything about that.
Well, you know, that's what I'm saying, dude.
Okay.
And then for you guys to come and circle 3 times, I'm like, well, what the fuck? You're not scaring me this
can I
time,
ask you a
dude.
question, sir? Do you understand why I would circle the parking lot if you were being that confrontational towards me?
Maybe just come up and speak to me. You guys are cops, dude.
Right. That's why we did another circle, is because I was like, well, that
Well,
guy.
maybe come up and speak to me instead of circling 3 times and then coming and parking here.
What would I have said to you?
And then this guy, dude, if I wouldn't have come and talked to you guys, or you guys would have found some reason because he said my plates don't match, you would have come and pulled me over, correct?
If we found a reason to, yeah, we would have.
Hey man, so can I tell you something?
Yeah.
Your plate, when it's tucked underneath up like that, it's hard to view. So it's an obstructed plate. So what I would do is I would
couldn't
stop
tell
you.
you anything about that, dude. It looks pretty visible to me.
Okay.
It's just
So it's bent in. I ride a motorcycle too, so I understand.
Yeah.
Mine's underneath it. But what I do is I try and angle it so that if I'm standing behind, I can read it. Okay?
You know what's crazy, brother? Appreciate you. Check out. I went to the lawyer the next day after this happened in Caldwell, and
Look,
he
hey,
told me, dude,
I
that
understand you're upset.
4 out of the 9 arrested officers, dude, are in fucking shady business, bro.
Hey, can
You know what
I
I'm
tell you something though? I'm not one of those. I've never involved
Well,
with you,
I'll
okay?
tell you something. When you circled that 3 times and you come and parked right here, I felt like you were trying to intimidate me, and I don't like that, dude.
It wasn't intimidation, man.
Especially after the 4th of July, whenever you guys come and whenever the police force come and rough me up,
Thank
dude.
you for saying that. 'Cause it
And then
wasn't
I
me.
filed a complaint, and I never got a paper complaint.
And that right there, folks, is where the video ended. Sadly, I really wanted to see the rest of it. But the reason I shared this video and highlighted it is because, first of all, it was sent to me. I want to get this guy some subscribers. Secondly, this guy said something in the video that makes me want to present it to you and show you exactly what I'm seeing. This guy said he supported the police until they beat him up. That means police officers had a supporter and they lost him. In many of the comments that we receive, many of you guys say that police officers earn the hate. I believe this to be true. There's a longtime supporter of mine. He's always commenting. His channel's called Ex Bootlicker. Think about what that means, folks. Many of us out there had believed that police officers were here to protect us. The Supreme Court case Castle Rock v. Gonzalez lets us know that they're not here to protect us. And the case in Uvalde, Texas, where the kids got shot up at the school, is proof that cops weren't there to protect the children. And this is the police force that we've built in this country by building an umbrella of protection for them to allow them to misbehave. We don't teach them anything about the Constitution, people's human rights. All we teach them is how to brutalize the people, take them into custody, lock them in a cage, and let the courts deal with it. This is absolutely an unacceptable way of policing, and it's an unsustainable system. We can no longer continue this. It's time that you too open your eyes before it's back to blue till it happens to you. Let's all get together, folks, both sides of the spectrum. Let's be a part of the solution, not the problem. Let's work together and figure it out. Subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell so you don't miss our future videos. Thank you for tuning in. We'll see you on the next one. Peace.